Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Laser Plumb Bob 2.100 Fort that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Swanson Tool Co PB008B 8-ounce Brass Plumb Bob with string. The Swanson Tool Co PB008B 8-ounce Brass Plumb Bob with string is a precision-accurate and durable tool designed for excavation contractors, surveyors, and foundation contractors. It features a replaceable, hardened steel tip for durability, a removable head for easy string attachment, and a solid brass construction with a lacquered finish to resist corrosion. This plumb bob comes with a 20-feet string and hook for quick and easy use on any job. With its reliable gravity source, it ensures accurate measurements and is a must-have tool for professionals in the field. The Swanson Tool Co PB008B 8-ounce Brass Plumb Bob with string is made in China. Moving on at number 4, we have the HCCMLOVE 8 ounces Plumb Bob in 16 feet string. The HCCMlove 8 ounces Plumb Bob in 16 feet string is a powerful and practical tool used in construction to establish perfect vertical lines and stabilize doors. It comes with a high-quality nylon thread that ensures quick balance maintenance and a wide range of heights. With its flexibility and accuracy, it is suitable for various settings such as tool rooms and construction sites. The Plumb Bob setter includes a 16-feet line, 8 ounces Plumb Bob, 2 pencils, and a sharpener. Customers have rated it 5.05 and praised its fast stabilization, durability, and included extra tools. The HCCMlove 8 ounces Plumb Bob in 16 feet string is a reliable and versatile tool that excels in construction settings. It offers fast stabilization, precise measurements, and durability. At number 3, we have the Huepar M9211G Green Beam Laser Level. The Crossline Laser Level with 2 plumb dots by Huepar is a versatile and reliable self-leveling laser. With a combination of plumb points and a crossline, this laser level offers maximum versatility for contractors in the commercial and remodeling trades. It features fine positioning accuracy and smart self-leveling on inclined surfaces. The laser lines are highly visible with wide angles, minimizing the need for repositioning. The durable design is shock-resistant, waterproof, and dust-proof. The product comes with a 12-month limited warranty, extendable to 24 months. With a customer rating of 4.45, the Huepar M9211G Green Beam Laser Level is a dependable and effective tool for any project. At number 2, we have the Self-Leveling Laser Plumb Bob. The Rack A Tiers 88455 Self-Leveling Magnetic Damping Laser Plumb Bob is a solid brass plumb bob that provides accurate measurements for construction and design purposes. With its self-leveling feature, it ensures precision in transferring dimension points from floor to ceiling. The magnetic damping technology ensures quick and steady readings. The compact dimensions of 3.15L x 3.15W x 6.30H make it easy to handle and store. Customers have praised its effectiveness on sloped ceilings and its ability to save time. However, some find it too large and expensive compared to alternatives like Bosch. Overall, the Rack A Tiers 88455 Self-Leveling Magnetic Damping Laser Plumb Bob is a reliable and efficient tool for professionals in need of precise measurements. And finally at number 1, we have the HCCMLOVE Plumb Bob Magnetic Kit. The HCCMLOVE Plumb Bob Magnetic Kit is a commercial-grade plumb bob kit designed for construction professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It includes 8 ounces and 15 ounces steel plumb bobs, a 14.5 feet nylon braided string reel, 2 professional woodworking pencils, a pencil sharpener, and a handy carrying case. The plumb bobs are made of high-quality steel, corrosion-resistant, and equipped with a sharp point for easy calibration. The string reel is retractable and offers automatic collection of the magnetic plumb bob line. With its magnetic and pin attachments, the kit can be used on metal, wood, and concrete surfaces. The kit is portable and suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Overall, the HCCMLOVE Plumb Bob Magnetic Kit is a reliable and convenient tool for precise leveling and alignment.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.